company's grown in the last 5 years insofar as the commissioning of new equipment, which has helped us have the capability to do more and diverse jobs, take care of our customers' needs from the structure and a miscellaneous standpoint. We don't entertain requests from other manufacturers. We're loyal Peddinghaus. Been a good relationship, you know. You don't see too much around our shop that's not painting Peddinghaus green.
We're also doing more miscellaneous now because of the investment in technology, you know, and we're able to give a more complete package now as opposed to just being structural guys. Peddinghaus service, like I said, I think we've only had to have techs come maybe like 3 times, 4 times tops in the 35 years that we've had Peddinghaus equipment. When you call and you tell them, you know, what kind of machine you have, they want to help you fix the problem before they have to send a tech out.
When I first saw that PeddiLaser at Louisville, I thought that is so slick. It's going to give us a lot more advantage over our FPB because we like to be at the forefront of the community of fabricators in our area, and we want to be the first and get ahead of everybody. So that's when I kind of unilaterally made a decision, we need to have one of these things.
Our laser uses a 12 kilowatt power source. You know, the accuracy of the parts far exceeds anything that we could get out of our plasma. You know, you can program it down to 30 seconds and 64ths, but still with the laser, you're talking about getting thousands, 10,000ths and the quality of the parts that comes out, especially for parts that need to be welded. You don't have the kerf angles that you have with the plasma, so parts are straight and it gives for better fit up for the welded joints. So then welders aren't trying to, you know, fill a gap on one side and tight on the other side, so the parts don't pull, and it just creates an overall better end product. A good thing about the Lantec software is you can set it to do a pallet exchange automatically. So once it reaches the end of the sheet, it'll switch the pallets. You're able to keep the machine running while you're loading and unloading parts. Even though you break the light curtain where the tables are, it doesn't stop the laser from processing parts.
We've said many times we're no longer in a business relationship, we're in a good friend relationship.
The old paper, you know, Peddinghaus used to put out Steel Fabricators Review, the old newspaper, and the article in there with the pallets eclipsed and dead, you know, and that's how we financed buying more equipment, because we were, you know, steady running 10 hours a day, 5-6 days a week sometimes, just processing other people's stuff. And in turn, it bankrolled most of the other equipment. So if it hadn't been for that initial investment in 1990 for that 623 Anglemaster, who knows where, you know, where we would be today. You know, maybe we would still just be jumping in trucks and going out and doing welding all day and not be where we're at.